In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Dynamic Pages. Understanding Wix Dynamic Pages can provide a more seamless experience for your website visitors and automate some of the process of maintaining content on your site. First, let's talk about one of the most important components of this process, the CMS, or Content Management System, collection. Dynamic pages in Wix rely on data stored within these CMS collections, so it is crucial that you set one up before moving forward. To do this, navigate to your Wix editor and click on the Content Manager. Once you're in the Content Manager, you'll want to add a new collection. Think of CMS collections like a database where you can input all the crucial information you'd like displayed on your dynamic pages. When you click to add a new collection, take a moment to consider what fields you need. Common fields might include a title, a description, and images, but this can vary based on your specific project requirements. For example, you might add fields for dates, category tags, or author names depending on what you're showcasing. Now that your CMS collection is set up with all the appropriate fields, it's time to focus on adding the dynamic page. Head back into the Content Manager and find the Database tab. This is where you can view all of your CMS collections. Select the collection you just created or the one you're intending to work with. Within this area, you'll see the option to add a dynamic page. When you click on that, you'll have a choice to make between two types of dynamic pages: the dynamic item page or the dynamic list page. The dynamic item page is designed to display individual items. Imagine someone clicks to view more details about a particular product or blog post. This is where the item page shines. It personalizes the experience by pulling unique content from your CMS collection for each field you've set up. On the other hand, the dynamic list page is perfect for showcasing multiple items in a list format. Think online stores, directories, or portfolios where visitors can view various options and then select a specific item to learn more. The list page is more of a broad overview and is excellent for engaging users who might be sifting through options before honing in on a particular choice. As you're setting up these dynamic pages, Wix makes it fairly intuitive with various customization options to match the design and feel of your site. Don't forget to preview your pages to ensure they display the way you want before going live. That's it for setting up Wix Dynamic Pages. With these steps, you now have a comprehensive understanding of how to use Wix Dynamic Pages to enhance your website and keep it brilliantly organized and easy for visitors to navigate. Thank you for watching, and happy site building!